Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Buffalo Pickers in Glass City? Yeah, defend the hustle on Friday nights. Yeah, have you ever heard of Fundmentalz of the Side Hustle with my boy Big D and Regina Michelle? Have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of Shaw? Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. Have you ever heard of my boy Sumo Thrift? Have you ever heard of Casey? Yeah, Casey out of North Carolina. He's a golf club mastermind. Yeah, but it's Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, I've been off for a little while. I had to take a little break. You know what I'm saying? I started a new job. It was taking up all my damn time. So I'm gonna make this pretty short video about what happened to me the other day. Yeah, I'm mad about it, but you know, it came out pretty good. You know, first of all, I want to tell y'all, my name is Kevin. I'm from St. Louis. I've been thrifting for shit. It's got to be over 44 years. My daughter just turned 44 the other day, so it's got to be over that. But I've been selling on eBay since 2002. I go to thrift stores, yard sales. I dumpster dive. I collect aluminum cans off the street. I don't give a doggone. I'm trying to make some cash. And I also work a full-time job. But anyway, y'all. So if you like this kind of, if you like this kind of content and you want to see more of this, just subscribe, watch my videos, make comments, stuff like that. I'm not big on asking for stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I just want y'all to enjoy my content. Okay, y'all, let's get back to it. Other day, I went into one of my new favorite thrift stores, and you know, I was walking through there thrifting, you know, like we do, like the thrifting community do. We go thrifting, and you know, every time I pick up an item, I would look up the price. So I'm picking up items, and you know, I lay my phone down on the shelf. After I finish looking up items, I put it down and I pick my phone back up. So I did that routine, right? But I heard a lady pulling a cart out, you know, a new cart full of stuff out from the back room. So I ran over there and left my phone sitting on that shelf. So after I realized what I did, it wasn't nothing but about 5 minutes. I yelled out to anybody, find a phone. So this young lady walked up to me and said, "Yeah, I found a phone, but it was another guy in there. He was evidently he was stealing though, but he was in there. He had a car full of stuff." And she asked him, was it his phone? He said, "Yeah." So she gave it to him. But anyways, so she came over and said, "I just gave a phone to some guy that was standing over there. I asked him if it was his, and he said it was his." So I searched the store looking for this dude. He had a cart full of stuff, and I couldn't find him. Right? It wasn't but a few minutes. So evidently, this dude walked out the thrift store with a whole cart full of stuff. And my phone. It's got everything on there. Everything. So D, Buffalo Picker, all y'all, send me y'all phone numbers again, cause you know, they was in their phones. Sumo, all y'all. So luckily, actually I used the phones in the store, stuff like that, to call my wife so she could so she could stop my phone and cut it off and stuff like that. So I thought about it. I had my spare phone in a bag in my car. That's the phone I usually make videos on. The phone I'm talking to you on now. I usually make videos with this. I got notes. I use Samsung Note. This is a Note 10 I'm talking to you on now. I had just bought a Note 20 Ultra. So $1,200, that's how much that phone was. So he got it, but whatever. So, but anyway, so I had a cart full of stuff. Y'all, if y'all watch, I'm gonna put a picture of it on here, all the stuff I got. But I'm gonna put a picture of it on here, and you'll see. I got it on Instagram. But anyway, so I'm checking out, getting ready to pay for my stuff. And when they got finished, it was like probably about $65 or whatever. They said your stuff is free, and I was like, what? They said somebody paid for your stuff. So somebody paid for my stuff. So everything that I got the other day is profit. Everything. I got a big Coleman cooler, a vintage Coleman cooler that's about between $100 and $175, depending on what day I guess people buy it or whatever. I want to say I got about $700 worth of stuff that I can sell on eBay. So I'm pretty, that really, I was mad, but then after that, I kind of calmed down a little bit. So I went to Sprint. I mean, not Sprint. I'm with T-Mobile. I went to T-Mobile and got a new SIM card for my spare phone, and I got my phone cut back on. But the thing is, I got all kind of information on that phone. I got pictures. I got all my videos on there. I got stuff on. I got new videos that I made that I haven't posted yet. I haven't put up yet. So I got to remake those. There's a whole lot of content on there, y'all. But I just wanted, that ain't the first time I did that, though. That's probably about the 6th time I left the phone on the shelf. And every time I went back, somebody turned it in. Somebody turned it in, or I find it on the shelf where I left it at. So, but anyway, y'all, there's some good people out there, and there's some bad. So the good people, they ain't put a smile on my face, because I don't never smile at my Marine. But anyway, they calmed me down. You know what I'm saying? Like good people to pay for my stuff. Calmed me down, because I was mad as hell. Then I was calling my phone because I was going to curse this dude out, right? So I called my phone. He wasn't stupid enough to answer. But he can't, I don't know what they do to these phones, but he can't sell it because it ain't going to work. He can sell it for parts or whatever, but it ain't going to work. That's what they say. I don't know what they do to it, what kind of number is in there that they can stop that number from making phone calls. It's some kind of secret number that we don't know about that they put in these phones that stop them from working. But anyway, so, it's going to cost me $250 because I had insurance on it. So it's going to cost me $250 to get a new one. I like that phone, but I'll just keep using this one. It's a Note 10. My wife bought me that phone. I usually keep my phones forever. So I got a Note 5. So I usually keep my phones. Anyway, you ain't going nowhere, man, making all that noise. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I just wanted to tell y'all that, my little story, what happened to me, it was 2 days ago, that what happened to me, I think it was Friday. And, to tell y'all some good people out here. There's also evil lurking around. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. Yeah, like I said, I go to thrift stores, yard sales, anything where I can find something to make me some money and put it on eBay. And I did join, Amazon, so I need to get in touch with Buffalo Picker so he could, walk me through it. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, we pickin' the hood too. Yeah, peace.